tam ini tamu ni umiri Kanyumunyu ni kumina chimo kida worini tami enoni ini winini.
I have heard what you have said very carefully, and I have two questions for you. The first question is, what drove you to pull a weapon and point it at Akena? What really drove you?
To be honest, I would be lying to you if I told you that I have fully comprehended the tragedy of that fateful day.
Imelorada, Papa Wachika Maleng, Ikumbedi Tilne, and Yang Matut, no, Mawa Gin Mutimeni or Time, Karmotimeni.
The stupidity, the foolishness, the evil that I exhibited on that day is not something that I knew was in me, but now I recognize that
Time Chiaro Motimeni and Ane, Time Chod Chewing Motimeni and Ane, and Becca can obey any Timinity comment.
now I recognize that within me, deep within me, there is evil that I did not know about. It's foolishness that I did not know about.
Goro, Chol Chewing, Kiniga, Chikoma.
And I don't think I'll fully comprehend ever the magnitude of what is inside me. And that's the reason that I am remorseful, that I am sorry. And that's the reason that I ask for your forgiveness. I ask for your understanding and for time, for this healing process to begin, and for time for me to comprehend the magnitude of the tragedy.
Ni Gor, Machadana Dano, Ampa Neo, Nitim Char Makitmanche, Ramatimane.
If I
The
will ever
Meno ye, where Obilka and Yimu, Atao Chia, Quiet Kija, Nitima Kija, where Yena, where Chakatin Macharanim, a bit down my part, a tamben and lured no motime, where Rotuina, a lock killer.
So for
Pena Puri.
ya an amet ni amet dok la pena check man ni dano kiniga loyo ento yene tiaro kumbeti ni anero covering ginano anamet amet pe ki chunya uberi yom bori me ye yena initimo gimaraji no wen.
But I know that human beings can get overcome by emotions. But from your response to my first question, I am satisfied that you responded to the questions I wanted to ask. But I want to thank you because I can see that you are remorseful in your actions.
Donc tien ni chake tien pen ma meti dokkere gan yo mit metam ma meti dokkere gan ni umiro ilek la twech non kare me beriken yo mu ken ma dirru me yinyo yen ma raju me titti gen ma raju were in avoiding gen gemini anone itugi ko padano ma dire gene dokku bi chu inda ke chu ikongi put geno dire tiga chu ikumi inda gero mi chu ikom le tiam.
But I want to leave you with a deep moment of reflection, questions that you must go back with after here, for you to get involved in a deep reflection about what happened, to go and sit down with the elders so that the elders can show you the right thing to do and you learn from your mistakes, so that tomorrow in the future you will be standing in for somebody who has done something like this, God forbid, but that you will be a reformed person and you will be the one leading delegations to ask for reconciliation. for you to go back and get counseling from your elders.